Good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to the online class of Modi Public School. Today we will study chapter first of economics, that is the story of village Palampur. Palampur is an imaginary village. Farming is the main activity in Palampur, whereas several other activities such as dairy, transport, etc. are also carried out on a limited scale. Now we will discuss about the main concept of this chapter, that is the factor of production. If we want to produce some goods, there is 4 requirements: land, labor, physical capital and human capital. Suppose if we want to make a water tank, then first thing we need land and other natural resources like forest, minerals and water. Because we need a factory to produce water tank, that's why our requirement is land. And now who made water tank for us? Labor. All work for making product done by labor. And the third requirement is physical capital. Physical capital is variety of inputs required at every stage during production. We need money, raw material, machines for making water tank. Physical capital is of 2 types. First one is fixed, in which machine, tools, buildings comes that can be used in production for many years. Second type is raw material and money that changes according to requirement. Fourth and the last requirement for production is human capital. In a production, we need knowledge and enterprise to be able to put together land, labor and physical capital and produce an output. Now our next topic will come, that land is fixed, then what are the way to increase the production? Farming is the main production activity in Palampur. 75% of the people dependent on farming for their livelihood. Is there a way one can grow more than from the same land? Yes. First method is if we use modern inputs like HYV seeds, fertilizers, modern farming machineries, pesticides, irrigating using modern facilities by using canals, pump sets, electricity, dams. And second method is multiple cropping. To grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as multiple cropping. It is the practice of intensification of cropping system in time and space dimension. That is more number of crops within a year and more number of crops is in a same piece of land. These are the 2 methods to increase the production on the same piece of land. Thank you so much.